Episode of the Boostly podcast, you are in for a treat. We have got Julian Sage from the Vacation Rental Machine podcast. We talk about Airbnb, we talk about booking.com, we talk about the need now to get direct bookings into your portfolio. So if you could just start off by giving us a little bit of an insight at where you are right now with America and the Corona crisis.
The US, we're behind what everybody else is going through. Like in the UK, we saw everything that was happening, and there wasn't, we kind of saw it almost like at a distance, like, oh, that's, it kind of sucks to be them, but it's not happening to us yet. And then in the span of like a couple of days, quite honestly, it was like in 1 week, it really hit hard, where all reservations were completely wiped off of our calendars, and there wasn't much to prepare. And then with the drama that's been happening with Airbnb, basically not giving hosts the option to be able to cancel their reservations, not giving the choice. So for managing for other people, we didn't have the luxury of, the ability to be able to say, hey, this guest wants to cancel. Should we refund them or give a partial refund? Airbnb just kind of stripped that away from us. So each state is handling it differently, but across the board, all the events are getting canceled. Bookings are canceled. Airbnb is even deeming some locations as unsafe and not allowing guests to be able to book in certain locations.
As always, my only ask for me doing all of this every single night is just you do one thing, and then you just share it into one Facebook group and just try and get people to realize that they don't have to rely on Airbnb for bookings. They don't have to rely on booking.com for bookings. There is a platform with free advice on how you can start to make income in this uncertain time.